Brace yourself, for the AI apocalypse is nigh. For far too long, the mere mention of artificial intelligence conjured images of chrome-plated androids and sentient machines, fantastical creations that captivated the imaginations of science fiction enthusiasts, but remained firmly entrenched in the realm of fantasy. Yet, a seismic shift has been brewing as a cabal of visionary scientists and technologists have conspired to transform these once far-fetched ideas into a terrifying reality. And now the machine renaissance is upon us. In the blink of an eye, AI has burst forth from the pages of speculative novels and the silver screen, emerging as a palpable force that has already permeated the very fabric of our society. Voice assistants that can peer into the depths of our souls, personalized recommendations that anticipate our every desire, and self-driving cars that threaten to seize control of our very mobility. These are the harbingers of a new era where artificial intelligence has become interwoven into the tapestry of our daily lives. But the tremors we've felt thus far are merely a prelude to the tectonic shifts that will rock our world in the coming years. Brace yourselves, for the next 5 years will bring about a seismic transformation that will redefine the human experience as we know it. Number 1. The accelerated pace of life. As AI-powered decision-making takes hold, the very rhythm of our lives will quicken, leaving us breathless and disoriented in its wake. Institutions will be compelled to integrate these intelligent systems into their core operations, creating a frenetic tempo that will leave us struggling to keep up, gasping for air as we are swept away in the relentless current of progress. Number 2. The death of privacy. Powerful AI will peer into the depths of our psyches, gaining unprecedented insights that surpass even our own self-knowledge. The hallowed halls of personal privacy will come crashing down as technological barriers dissolve and the ability to profile individuals reaches uncharted levels, leaving us naked and vulnerable before the cold, digital gaze of our new machine overlords. Number 3. The tangled web of AI legislation. Governments, scrambling to harness the power of this transformative technology, will unleash a deluge of new laws and regulations, a Byzantine labyrinth of red tape that will ensnare businesses and individuals alike, as they find themselves navigating a perilous legal landscape fraught with hidden pitfalls and unintended consequences. Number 4. Human-AI symbiosis. To quell the rising fears of AI's existential threat to humanity, businesses and governments will be compelled to reframe these intelligent systems as partners to human intelligence rather than replacements. But make no mistake, this fragile dance between man and machine will be a tenuous balancing act, where the slightest misstep could plunge us into the abyss of technological subjugation. The next 5 years will usher in an era of unparalleled transformation, one that will rewrite the very fabric of our existence. As we stand at the precipice of this brave new world, we must steel ourselves for the turbulent changes ahead and embrace the promise and peril of the machine renaissance with unwavering resolve, for the fate of our species hangs in the balance.